today's video we are going to learn about les pronoms relatifs donc and ou. In the last video we've already discussed about the role played by pronom relatif while discussing the difference between qui and que. In this video we are going to look at les pronoms relatifs donc and ou and how these two pronoms relatifs are used in a sentence. Let's begin with le pronom relatif donc. Donc, which is a pronom relatif, is used to replace an antécédent in a sentence. An antécédent is a word or a group of words, and I'm sure you must have dealt with these terms in English already. And donc is also used to connect this antécédent with la proposition subordonnée relative. That again you must have done. La proposition subordonnée relative is that part of the sentence which gives extra information about the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. Now let's check le rôle joué par donc, the role played by donc in a sentence through these examples. We have two sentences. C'est une robe noire. Je rêve de cette robe noire. The first sentence stands for this is a black dress. I dream of this black dress. Now we have to combine these two sentences using le pronom relatif donc. Now let's check how we're going to do it. C'est la robe noire dont je rêve. This is the black dress of which I dream of. Now donc is placed in between l'antécédent and la proposition subordonnée relative. So, donc is la pronom relatif and c'est la robe noire is l'antécédent. And je rêve is la proposition subordonnée relative of the sentence. So this is how donc is placed in a sentence to connect two different sentences. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's check how ou is used in a sentence. Ou is used to replace le complément de lieu, that means the place, or le complément de temps, that means the time. So let's check how ou is used in a sentence through these examples. J'ai vu un ours au parc. Le parc est tout près. I saw a bear in the park. The park is nearby. Now let's check how we are going to use ou to combine these two sentences. Le parc où j'ai vu un ours est tout près. So ou is used to replace le complément circonstanciel de lieu. That means ou is used to replace the repetition of le parc. That means the place is being replaced through ou. So in here ou is used to replace le complément circonstanciel de lieu. That means the complement of place. It is also used to replace le complément circonstanciel de temps, which we are going to discuss in a minute. I hope the use of ou is clear. Now let's have a look comment les utiliser facilement. That means how we can use these pronoms relatifs donc and ou easily. Moving on, donc is used to replace de plus antécédent. and ou is used to replace complément circonstanciel de lieu ou de temps. Temps is replacing the plus antécédent and ou replaces complément circonstanciel de temps, that means the time, ou de lieu, that means the place. Now what is an antécédent? We discussed it. It's a word or a group of words. A complément de lieu is the place, a complément de temps is the time. Now let's have a look at a few examples. Let's first check donc. Voici le livre. Here's a book. Tu as parlé de ce livre. You spoke about this book. Now we have to combine these two sentences using donc. So let's check out. Voici le livre dont tu as parlé. Now you'll notice that donc is replacing the plus antécédent. Moving on, ou. We have two sentences again. J'aime cet hôtel. I like this hotel. Je dors dans cet hôtel. I sleep in this hotel. Now let's combine these two sentences using ou. J'aime cet hôtel où je dors. Now, le pronom relatif ou is replacing le complément circonstanciel de lieu, that means the place, that is the hotel. Moving on, let's check a few more examples. Je suis dans un parc, dans or où on peut jouer. I am in the park where we can play. So in here, we are going to replace le complément circonstanciel de lieu, that is the park, the place. So we'll be using où. Le noir est la seule chose dont j'ai peur. In here, we'll be using donc. And what is the meaning of this sentence? The darkness is the only thing I'm scared of. C'est la ville dont or où je rêve. It's the city of which I dream of. Now in here we'll be putting donc because we have rêvé de quelque chose. So donc replaces the plus antécédent. Next one. Le jour dont or où j'ai vu Pierre, il pleuvait. The day I saw Pierre, it was raining. So we'll be putting où. Next one. C'est l'année dont or où ils se sont mariés. This is the year when they got married. So we'll be placing où to connect. So this was about donc and où. I hope you've understood how to use donc and où as les pronoms relatifs to combine two sentences. Always remember that we use donc to replace the plus antécédent and où is used to replace the time or the place. Stay connected and keep watching French Tweets. Don't forget to subscribe to French Tweets.